Considering opportunity gap in research for students, Nepal Research and Collaboration Center (NRCC) is excited to present its highly anticipated program, a virtual initiative that empowers you to become modern researcher in the field of science and technology.
After the successful cohort of Research Training 2023 with 120 plus active participants, we are back with Research Training 2024 with even much more advanced research training and methodologies.
From June 29 to September 15, your summer weekend will be filled with sessions on Python, LaTeX, statistical research, and paper publishing process. On the top of that, our program includes sessions on review paper writing, proposal and grant writing, scientific and communication skill, and many more.
Our expert mentors and trainers will guide you through each steps in research training. This session will be conducted from Saturday to Sunday from 6:30 to 8 p.m. for 3 months.
And it's not just only about learning, but also utilizing what you have learned. Our program features dynamic networking sessions where you can efficiently communicate with researchers and grab opportunity to get connected on various research platforms.
All this comes at a minimal cost of Rs 4,000 only, making it accessible for national and international participants.
With limited seats available, apply now and commence your research journey with us. For more information, visit www.nrccnepal.org and follow our social media handles.